As you can see, or maybe there, we're getting a little closer. There's a squirrel, and there's Indy. Now, I can't tell you how far apart they are, but it's just a little over 10 feet. The squirrel has kind of calmed down with Indy out there. I think she knows that Indy won't bother until she gets close enough. Now, isn't that a thing? The squirrel's buried some nuts out there. Indy's just laying there. She's just so funny. Squirrel knows just how far to stay away. I don't think Indy's going to get up and go after her. It's just so hot out there. But I think the squirrel is definitely enjoying the nuts. I had some old nuts that I set a whole container out there for him.